To fix a declined Visa gift card, start by understanding the possible reasons for the decline. The most common reasons include insufficient funds, expired cards, incorrect card information, and security restrictions. First, check the card balance to ensure it has enough funds to cover the transaction. You can do this by visiting the card issuer's website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Next, verify the card's expiration date to ensure it has not expired. If the card has expired, you may need to contact the issuer to obtain a replacement card. Then, double-check the card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, to ensure it is accurate. Make sure to enter the information correctly when making a purchase. If you have confirmed that the card information is correct and the card has not expired, contact the card issuer's customer service to report the issue. They may be able to provide additional information or assistance to resolve the problem. In some cases, the decline may be due to security restrictions, such as a block on international transactions or a limit on the number of transactions per day. If this is the case, you may need to contact the issuer to have the restrictions lifted. To avoid declined transactions in the future, make sure to regularly check the card balance and update the card information as needed. Additionally, consider registering the card with the issuer to receive notifications and updates on the card's status. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue with your declined Visa gift card. If you are still experiencing problems, it may be helpful to visit the issuer's website or contact their customer service for further assistance. It is also a good idea to keep a record of the card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, in a safe and secure location. This will help you to quickly reference the information if you need to contact the issuer or make a purchase. Overall, fixing a declined Visa gift card requires patience and persistence. But by following these steps and staying informed, you can resolve the issue and get back to using your card.